of BRW. It is World Book Day 2021! Woohoo! I hope you are all really excited for the day. I think I should first of all address the elephant in the room, or should I say the very large box in the room. I have dressed up today, children, as the word cumbersome, which is an adjective that describes objects that are very difficult to carry because they are either very large or very weighty. So you can see I am going to be wearing this very large box today, and it might be a little bit difficult for me to get around school. So please just watch out if I'm walking past you. I am going to now introduce the librarians because they are going to tell you more about our wonderful day. I hope you all have lots and lots of fun, and I can't wait for us all to celebrate reading and to think about all our favourite books. Bye, children.
Good morning, everyone, and welcome to our World Book Day Assembly.
You look wonderful. We are so excited to celebrate reading at BRW.
This year, World Book Day is a little different.
Unfortunately, we're not able to be all together in person.
But we know that reading is going to bring us together as a school family. Reading stories can help us feel united.
Stories help us to be kind. Stories inspire us to be resilient. Stories inspire us to overcome our fears. Stories help us to be brave.
During the day, you have the opportunity to sit back, relax, and watch lots of stories being read to you by the members of staff or BRW pupils. You can find these stories if you go to the World Book Day team on Microsoft Teams and look in the file section. Enjoy!
Another important part of our day is making sure that we take the time to mark out your glorious costume. Some of you have dressed up as your favourite book characters, others have dressed up as a walking word. Please take lots of photos in class or at home so we can share your costumes on the blog or on Twitter.
This year has been a challenge, and we could all benefit from a little inspiration and hope. One way we can be inspired to rise up to challenges is by reading inspirational books. As part of our World Book Day celebrations, each class will be sharing a story that includes characters that show determination and resilience. This will help us to keep the BRW spirit strong.
We would also like to extend the challenge of being an inspiring author to you. Can you write a story that will inspire determination, resilience, and bravery in others? If you're up for the challenge, send your entries to the office email address.
Entries must be submitted by the end of this week. Here's the best bit. Winning entry from FS and Key Stage 1 and Key Stage 2 will be chosen.
The winner will be invited to pick a brand new book to take home and keep. Good luck with your writing. We cannot wait to read your inspirational stories.
There are also very exciting, very secret additions to our celebrations this year.
During your afternoon, your class will be visited by a secret reader during a Microsoft Teams meeting. The secret reader could be anybody, a parent, grandparent, auntie, uncle, or even a previous member of our BRW school.
I wonder who'll be joining you to read a special story. Finally, we want to tell you about a special gift you will receive at the end of the day.
There's nothing better than snuggling up with a hot drink, biscuit and a good book. For this reason, each child will receive a hot chocolate sachet, biscuit and book token so you can enjoy some cozy reading at home.
Children can either swap their £1 book token for one of the exclusive new World Book Day books. Also, you can get £1 of any book or audiobook in bookshops or supermarkets. You can find more information about where you can buy your £1 book on the back of your book token.
Along with your gift, you'll also be given a book bingo activity sheet. Challenge yourself to complete some of the reading activities in the next few weeks.
For those of you at home, do not fear, you can collect your book token, biscuits and hot chocolate sachet when you return to school on the 8th of March.
Thank you for listening so carefully to our assembly. We hope you had a wonderful day.
Now, let World Book Day 2021 begin!